In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic. For many of us, Notion is a crucial part of organizing our daily lives, managing projects, and keeping track of various tasks. But it's not just about functionality. Having a visually pleasing and personalized dashboard can make your Notion experience much more enjoyable and engaging. So let's dive in and transform your Notion workspace into a place that's not only efficient, but also a delight to use. First off, open Notion. Whether you're using the desktop app or navigating through the web version, the first step is getting into your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with what you've set up so far and pay attention to what could be improved visually. Often, the key to creating a more aesthetic dashboard starts with understanding what you already have. Now, consider starting with a clear layout. This is where simplicity can make all the difference. Think about the structure of your pages and sections. A well-organized layout can immediately have an aesthetic appeal. Group similar items together, use columns to your advantage, and space things out so your eyes can breathe. A clean, streamlined layout not only boosts aesthetic value, but also functionality. The next step is adding visual hierarchy. You want the most important elements of your dashboard to stand out. You can achieve this by varying font sizes, using bold text for headings, or even using different fonts themselves. Strategic use of formatting helps your brain quickly scan information and makes the page visually interesting. Choosing a color palette is your next consideration. Opt for colors that complement each other and align with your personal style. This could be anything from soft pastel shades to bold, vibrant colors. Consistency is key, so try not to use too many clashing colors. Instead, pick a few that work well together and stick with them throughout your dashboard. An often overlooked detail is the addition of a page icon for quick recognition. This small visual cue can help you navigate your dashboard more efficiently. Select an icon that is relevant to the content of the page and make it something you enjoy looking at. Additionally, to enhance the visual appeal of your pages, don't shy away from adding icons, covers, and emojis. These elements inject personality into your dashboard. For covers, consider images that are calming or motivating, a small change that offers a significant visual impact. Finally, think about incorporating widgets into your Notion. Widgets can add character, functionality, and a sense of personality to your workspace. Whether a weather widget, a clock, or a habit tracker, the right widgets can not only look good but also serve a practical purpose. As you implement these changes, remember that your dashboard is uniquely yours, so make it reflect your personal taste and the way you work best. Enjoy the process of customizing your Notion dashboard and watch it evolve into a space that is truly both functional and beautiful.